Hello, today we're making a first 5 scaffold tower system. First off, we'll take the frame with the wheels attached, making sure that the wheels are actually on the outside of the tower. First off, we'll lean that against something to keep it upright. Much easier whilst doing that on your own. And then we'll take a brace, horizontal and diagonal brace attachment. They're actually fixed together, as you'll have noticed when you were doing your pre-assembly work. So we'll put that into the first rung of the frame. Now all these braces and handrails use the same system. They've got a plastic bung that goes into the hole, and then there's a locking clip that goes round to lock it into place. Now again, we take the second frame, making sure that the stabilizer is on the outside of the tower again. Now again, we can simply put the horizontal brace into the first rung, which is so simple. You see, it just slots into the hole, turn the clip, and locks into place. Simple as can be. And again, exactly the same system on the diagonal brace. Now this time on the other side is exactly the same setup. This time making sure that your diagonal brace is actually going in the opposite direction to the one you did first. Now that gives us a nice base to start with. Both sides are locked together. Next up now, we'll put the additional frames on. Now you'll see the top of the bottom frames are actually reduced. This allows you to just slide the upper frame over and down. Again, very simple. And this is restrained with a locking pin, which simply goes through some pre-drilled holes nice and easily. And then there's a clip that wraps itself around the tube to lock it into place, one either side. Now in the next frame, now you'll notice here that we've already attached the handrails into the top rung of the frame. This will allow you to attach the handrail fully whilst in a seated position on the trap platform, which is the safest method of assembly. Again, these are secured with 2 locking pins that just wrap around the tube just to secure that into place. Next, we have some more diagonal braces. Again, making sure that they're going the opposite way to the braces on the same side that you've already attached. Again, they just pop in and lock, very simple. And now again, there's another diagonal brace on the other side. Again, making sure that it's going the opposite direction to the one below it. Now next up, we'll be attaching the trapdoor platform. Now what you want to do with the trap hatch, the bit that opens that you climb through, is to make sure that that trap goes on the opposite side to which the handrails have attached to the frame. Now the way we get the trapdoor on is to simply rest it on the bar that you want, push it further forward, and then climb up the other side a couple of rungs. And then you'll see as that comes over, it just drops down into place. And then we've got 2 catches, one either side of the platform. That just secures the platform into place. Now what we can do is, by accessing the trapdoor platform, we'll be able to attach those handrails to the other side whilst sitting on the trapdoor, which of course is the safest way to do so. And then you can use the handrails to get yourself up onto the trapdoor. And there we have it, a completed First 5 tower system, ready to use for your DIY projects.